Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily close for Bitcoin video to see what happened today. Of course, we had a live stream today, a special day as I mentioned. Some days we're gonna start with just live streams where we're gonna update the whole major coins that we already have for our channel. We can update it directly in one live stream. And this during the weekdays. So today was the first day, and of course currently we're gonna see what happened with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here is in our testing area from of course our daily analysis today, and we see of course an ABC so far, which is a 1 2 3 4 5 here, can be finished of course, and we can be here exactly finishing inside the area that we are looking for between the 0.618 0.786 taken from the wave 1 to the wave 2 here without hitting yet the 886. And that means, of course, currently you're looking even to 5 waves down. So this might be kind of like a 1-2 potential reversal downward. Can be, of course, a possibility. And then continuation toward the downside. Unless, of course, we start to get some extensions here, meaning this wave 5 is going to transform to 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and of course hitting the 886, and of course taking the high, eliminating the scenario of triple 1-2s here, meaning if we are in triple 1-2, 1-2, and then another 1-2 still unfolding, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 downward here. However, the possibility is still there, despite that the multiple 1-2s are too much, but still can be, of course. I mean, for a wave 3, you need a 1-2 at the end. Probability is also still possible to get this blue zone, which is the next level, in case, of course, as I mentioned, we get an extended here impulse upward, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 start to unfold, of course, for higher. And that means, of course, you might finish in this area at 1-to-1 fib level, and A, B, and a C here can be unfolding for a big leading diagonal 1, and then wave 2, which is your white scenario here, and then of course dropping down again for a Bitcoin in a bear market. So the bear market, of course, already mentioned in the videos. We are in a potential ABC here as an expanding flat, which it might be, of course, the wave C unfolding downward. Not this one, sorry. Basically this one. Here we go. Basically, this is your bearish scenario where you have an ABC downward. However, during this downward, we need to test those area, because we have, of course, currently an area with a blue box which is already hit, which it can be, of course, an AB, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an ending diagonal for a wave C here, which is, of course, an extension for your wave B, A, B, and a C downside. So we're gonna see if this is going to happen. Of course, we're gonna test our area on the 2-hour chart as mentioned, the blue box here, in case we are not in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And in case we break it, okay, this scenario might be in play. Yeah, so we're gonna have to take it into consideration. Final scenario, which is still a little bit far, unless we see, of course, the drop downward for a potential wave C. During this wave C, we're gonna test this zone. This zone might be, of course, a bigger ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside, but still, of course, too early to call it. Currently, the highest possibility right now is the double 1-2, or triple 1-2, I would say. Invalidation of this, shifting directly to big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaking the wave 2 here can be, of course, playing the possibility of ending diagonal in A, B, and a C toward the upside. So we're gonna walk with it chronological, step by step, and of course follow the invalidation for each scenario until we find which scenario is unfolding over there. Thank you for watching, thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.